Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in to another video. This is Diva Risse here, and I am here to show you how I clean my Flexi Rod. So, of course, the first thing you're going to need are the Flexi Rods. And here go mine. Cute little pink ones. I got them off Amazon. It's a pack that comes with I think 7 different sizes, 10 each. And yeah, so of course you need your Flexi Rods. You're going to be doing this at the sink, so you need a stopper for the drain. You're going to run some hot or warm water. You're going to fill that up. Then you're going to add some apple cider vinegar to the water. You're going to add about 1/4 of a cup should be enough. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the red button below and turn on your post notifications so you know every time I post a video, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Diva Risse. And you're going to need a towel to dry off your Flexi Rods. So you start by opening your Flexi Rods, of course. You're going to add them to the water. Once they're all in the water, you're going to roll them around and let them sit in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. You want to get all that, whatever is on there from being made from the manufacturer company or from wherever they came from China or whatever. You want to get that all off. So you let them sit in there for a little while. Then you're going to rinse them off and you're going to let them dry. You're going to put them on a towel and dry them, roll them around, dry them, or just let them sit and air dry. Now that they are all nice and dry, honey, guess what? That's it. Now they're ready to be used. Ready to be used, ready to be put in your hair and make them Flexi Rods pop, honey. Let's get into it. So I'm going to be doing a Flexi Rod video soon, and stay tuned for that because that should be coming real soon, girl. Real soon, girl. And I hope they come out cute because it's going to be my first time. Well, thank you for tuning into this little quick video or whatever, and make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment. Let me know if you clean your Flexi Rods before you use them. Alright? Toodaloo!